Okay, in this kitchen we are going to resurface these cabinets. We are also going to resurface this countertop. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's like almost like a purple. And we're going to have to do this sink pure white. We've got to draw our own line with our tape, super sharp. But we can do it. And we will do it. Man, these cabinets are like 10 feet tall. Goodness gracious. All right, let's get to work. Check it out.
Oh my gosh! That is awesome.
Look at that, huh?
I mean...
Alan, did you know you could do such a thing?
Say what?
Did you know you could do such a thing?
This is nothing.
There's
Right?
a little bit of debris in there, but it'll come right out.
Oh my gosh. I mean, this is nothing.
Big difference.
I mean, it is just incredible.
It'll look better tomorrow.
Is that right? How's
Yep.
that?
It just, I don't know why. It just kind of, everything just kind of does what it does for a bit. But you'll need to...
Do they need to stay open?
Yeah, I was just taking pictures.
Oh, okay.
I would get some stoppers, those
Okay.
rubber things.
I got some. Oh gosh, it just...
Cool, huh?
It's fantastic.
Hey, we like it.
That's what it's...
Jesus.
Isn't it awesome?
That shit was good.
No customers.
Very neat, huh?
Can't touch it.
Can't touch it.
And we got to get new
That's that.
faucet because I want a new one. That
Neat, huh?
no, beautiful.
Damn.
No, such a difference.
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
That's all you need to know.
All we got.
All right, so this kitchen's done. We resurfaced the kitchen countertops, all these beautiful cabinets, and the kitchen sink. They still have to put a new faucet set in, which I think they're going to be doing today or tomorrow, but yeah. You don't have to replace this stuff, folks. You can simply resurface it all. You get it done in a fraction of the time, save thousands of dollars. It's waterproof. Nothing ends up in a landfill anywhere. I mean, what's not to love about this? Okay, bye.